Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Mentor. Many candidates couldn't upload their or correct their photographs, signature and thumb impression during the final edit window that was from 2nd of April till 4th of April. And I received many of calls, and I suggested them to mail to the NB and call them. So based on that, NB had taken decision to extend the edit window for correction of images uploaded in the application form, and the edit window is again open from 5 p.m. today 5th April, and it will be open till 3 p.m. on 7th of April. So you got 5th, 6th and 7th until 3 p.m. So it's your last chance, and further NB is not going to open the extend the edit window. So be careful, check your email from NB. If you receive any email from NB that your application got rejected due to correction required in particular document like photograph, thumb impression or signature, you must log into the application and follow the guidelines given in the NB bulletin. And I have given the screenshot here in this video. I will tell you how to follow and how to correct. So in case of photograph, the photograph that you upload should be in particular dimension. You can see the dimension. I have taken it from information bulletin. The source of truth is information bulletin. You don't need to go anywhere else. So to be on safer side, what you can do, you can directly go to the cyber cafe. Those guys are very handy for this process. So they will scan your image, but they will take the photograph and they will cut it with a proper background and proper dimension. So you can show them this video snapshot for the dimension. 35 mm should be the width and 45 mm should be the height, and you can see your both shoulders should be visible, your head should be straight, okay, and a little bit of gap on top of your head. So everything is written here and if you look for the checklist before you upload the digital photo, digital image of photograph, so it should be in JPG or JPEG format, then only they will accept, and the size of the image should be less than 80 kb. So if it's higher, if you take the photograph with camera, it would be more than 5 megapixel and 5 MB, then you have to compress it, and those guys at cyber cafe would be able to help you. And make sure that your face takes up at least 70 to 80% of the frame. So on the left side you can see the image that you have taken originally, and after cropping you can see it will be coming, it will be looking like on the rightmost side. Now signature, if your application got rejected due to correction required in the signature, then you have to take a digital image of your signature, and your signature should be in cursive. I will show you the photograph which is correct and which is incorrect, so that you can better know it how it should be. So you can use digital device to directly take the image of your signature, scan it, and then draw. Before you put your signature, you draw a size of 1.5 centimeter height and 3.5 centimeter of width box, and you put the signature in that and then take the photograph. It's like that. 1.5 centimeter of the image I'm talking about is on the top left side, 1.5 centimeter of height and 3.5 centimeter of width. You put your signature in cursive and then scan it. You can take help of those people at cyber cafe and ask them to crop it. Okay, so now you can see the photograph. The first group photograph, you see the what is the correction. The head of the person is not fully visible, shoulder is not visible, and you can correct it by the right side. In the left side there is one more correction required, is the background is not pure white. You should not take photograph from side looking, okay, and no black and white photograph, it should be color photograph. You can see here image is not clear, improper flash or improper lighting, should be proper lighting. Photo taken with mobile phone including selfie. So in selfie you don't get a straight photo comes distorted. and you don't change the aspect ratio. In the third image you can see distortion due to enlargement of an original smaller image. So you change the aspect ratio, it happens like that. So you take original one. The last photograph is not acceptable because it has sunglasses and all. Again, too much of glaring on the specs is not required. That's why you have to take like not so much of lighting coming on the specs. In case so much of light comes on your specs, then the photo won't be clearly visible. Specs rim over eyes, so it should be a straight photo. So I hope you can see and correct your images, why it got rejected. It's important to know why it got rejected, and then are you uploading the correct the image with correct dimension and proper guidelines. Okay, now signature. The signature you can see is not in the proper dimension, and the right side is in proper dimension, 1.5 height and 3.5 is width. Again, GDS signature not in short form but is full form. Your name should be visible there. Initial is not accepted. Only if your name is starting with M, you should not write just M and just few lines, but you have to write the complete name. Rajat is not accepted in that way. Okay, and here you can see what is the signature note in plain white background. Signature should be in plain white background. It's not in lined background. And you should not put signature and thumb impression in same box. And the third image, signature with dark background is not acceptable. Again, it will get rejected. So these are few differences, and it has MB has covered all the differences, and you can identify what correction is required from your side. Okay, your signature should not go beyond the rectangle, and should not be in other than blue or black ink. Here you can see the photograph in place of signature, so that if you have done that kind of mistake, you can correct it. Thumb impression instead of signature, that's also a cause of rejection. Thumb, now talking about the thumb impression, the acceptable thumb impression, it should not be in other than blue or black ink. And the second image, the thumb impression taken by a mobile phone camera with dark background. Okay, incomplete thumb impression, you should put complete thumb impression, not the just part of it. Picture of thumb impression not acceptable. You should not take picture of your thumb. It should be thumb impression created by ink, blue or black. Thumb impression uploaded is partially cropped, that also not acceptable. Thumb impression is not clear, then you have to make it clear. You don't take blurred photo. Dry thumb impression, that will be rejected, and thumb impression not on plain white paper will also be rejected. Thumb impression too obscured by too much ink. If you put too much ink, the thumb impression won't be visible there. It will be just like ink is put over there without any mark of lines on thumb. And the thumb impression is too small, then also is cause of rejection. So that's it. I have actually I tried my best to guide you that how you can correct your mistakes, and this is the last chance. So those people who have missed, they were in so much of tension, so those tension you can release off, and you correct the document and all as soon as possible, and get back on the track for your preparation, so that you can score well in the exam. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care. If you have any question, you can comment us in the comment section box.